Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be ripping my seats out and see if our faction seat mounts actually fit into the car. And if they do, then we might get some pilot holes started and make them side mount seats for these new brackets. And if not, we'll be trying to see if we can't try to pick up like a partial sponsorship or even a sponsorship for a set of seats for the car. So we'll get this video started.
So the male guy's in here. He's slacking pretty bad. We'll show you guys the new headlights we installed. Also live streaming on Instagram right now. Follow me on Instagram if you don't, at HotBoi Troy. Ooh, I like these. I like these a lot. So these have multiple colors. You know, do whatever you want. It's not like something crazy nice. It'll work. They're kind of bright for just being some eBay lights. So I got to put some LEDs inside there so I actually have lights, because those are just the LED strips. But I mean, it's pretty cool. Seizure warning, I guess. I'm gonna make it go really fast. Just watch yourself for a second if you need to. There's so many options. Just go to the one I want. Oh, maybe it's this one. I just turned the speed up. Oh my God, this hurts to look at. Never mind. All right, seats. We got an issue. I don't know how easy it's gonna be to actually get these Rave Girls R Us. Dude, Rave Girls are where it's at. You don't know what you're gonna get. Which disease do you want? You can just pick. So stick that up there. All right, let's get you guys a POV real quick. So I'm gonna try to, okay, this side will feed through, but this side has the latch. So I don't even know if it'll actually go through or not. I haven't tested it. Do I want to rip it straight out? Not really. Am I going to? Most likely. Is it going to do it anyways because I said so? Matter of fact, it is. Cool. We'll throw these back there for now. I don't have my typical stream guys in here right now. It's kind of sad. Oh, maybe he's at work. All right. How is the Miata going? Guys, follow Narhart on Instagram. He's got a sick Miata that I'm pretty sure is still blown up. Hell yeah. I came over here to get a tool, and I don't even know what tool I need. Like, I didn't even look down there to see what size the bolt even might have been. I didn't even try to look. That was really dumb. All right. My guess is a 17. We're gonna try it. Go ahead and place your bets now if it's actually a 17. Huh. No one knows. All right, set you guys up there. You know, we're sporting it. We're looking good. This is kind of like a Matrix kind of moment. What the fuck am I talking about? I have no idea what I'm talking about. I haven't even seen the Matrix. I've saw like 30 minutes of one and I got bored. All right, update. Me and the live stream were just talking, and my dad, when he helped me make this hydro mount, we bolted it straight through the trans tunnel, and there is the next. You can't even see it. It's down there. It's under there. That's where the bolt is. So we have to try to get in there with a wrench. So rest in peace. My fingers, my knuckles, and the skin on. This is absolute torture. I don't even know where this is gonna be at, but I really hope that it's in the right spot. Because if not, I might just be switching to Instagram Live for all my builds, which would be absolutely terrible. All right, so for you guys, it was 2 seconds, but for me, that was 10 minutes of trying to get that one bolt out right there. So now we're moving on to the back. All right, we're back. We got those last couple bolts out. We are going to rip the seat out finally, if we can. Well, that wasn't very nice. Go back together. Okay, Seat is out. Car, weight reduced a full another 20 pounds, 25 pounds. You know what? We're gonna take this upstairs and see actually how much this thing weighs. Because we want to. So let's get in here. We will, we'll get you guys an actual, some footage where it goes. So under this, that was terrible. But we got it out. That's all that matters. So, I don't know if the GoPro can see this or not, but we got it on our head. We're gonna see how much we weigh with this thing now. Is it gonna go anytime today? Come on, dude. I went from 151 to 184. So that means this fucking seat weighs, what, 40 pounds? 30 pounds? Wait, 151 to 184. 151 to 184, that's 3 pounds. 20, that's 33 pounds a seat. So I'd be chopping off 5 pounds a seat with actually, I don't know. I might be chopping, I might be less because I have some steel plates in here to make it work for my car that I custom made. We're trying to see if this is actually a side mount seat or not, or if we can make it one. And it's got these two little pins right here and right here. And I don't know if that's just a pin for holding this fabric on, or if it's actually a spot to put your side mount holes into. Regardless, it is now time. So, we're going in right through the middle, right here. Damn it. It's right there, bolt to bolt. Guys, even if we wanted to, these seats wouldn't work. It's time to pull the mounts out and get a new set of seats. The OMP TRSs are dead. So regardless of having to get new seats, I'd like to give a shout out to Street Faction for putting these together. They're wonderful. They lots of options where you want to put your seat at and angle, and they're going to be great. So yeah, again, shout out to Street Faction, as well as their heel plates that I have yet to put in
well,
too. So.
That's the end of that. The TRSs did their job what they were supposed to. I ended up making those seat brackets a while back when I first got them. They did the job, but they were never going to be what I needed them to. They were too close to my cage and my doors for me to be happy with them. So we're going to look at some other seat brands, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.